Alright, welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video. Today I'm gonna do something very unusual. My first ever Indian music video or Indian song. I've reacted to a lot of songs around the world, R&B, hip hop, K-pop, J-pop, Latin music, but I've never ever reacted to Indian music before. So it's called Kasithira Beautiful. I'm gonna check it out and see what's going on. So this is my first Indian music video. Mm, rhythm sound nice. Rhythm sound good. Oh, what the? Dude, I'm getting distracted with the whole movement and shit like that, but I'm trying to actually, I'm trying to listen to the lyrics, but the whole movement shit is distracting me, bruh. Dude, I don't speak Indian, bruh. Don't speak Indian, but it actually sound nice. Man, is this gonna be the whole video? Holy shit. Damn, this video is interesting, bro, because it's just these two and literally on a beach, just hugging, kissing, frolic around in the water and stuff like that. But it's very interesting though. I don't know why it's interesting. Probably through the song sound good. I don't know. Dude, this almost seem like just an reality music video. Like someone just get their camera and just start shooting this shit, bro. Damn, the Indians getting their thing on, bro. Dude, I wonder if these two are actually couple, bro. This seem like they actually couples, bro. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm just saying that. That's the feeling I'm getting from just watching this. What the fuck? Dude, for some reason this video is actually kinda relaxing. Basically singing something about love being beautiful. Holy shit. Dude, that shot me, bro. I was like, what the fuck is that? Dude, that was the only person who, otherwise from these two that are in this music video. That kind of shocked me, bro. I was like, whoa, what's going on? Oh, dude, I feel like these two are actually couples, bro. There's no freaking way, bro. No way, dude. Wow. It's very simple, but for some reason, it was very kind of relaxing because it's like no big ass girl shaking their ass, no, none of that shit, bro. Just two person on a beach singing, kissing, loving each other, and just doing normal stuff, bro. It was just so calm for some reason. Wow, wow. I'm kind of reflecting on myself right now. I'm literally reflecting. I'm literally reflecting right now. But anyway, guys, very good song. Yes, the song actually sound good. I don't speak Indian, but just by just the lyrics and just the way it sound, the flow, it actually sound very good, bro. as I said before, I listen to a lot of music around the world, and most of them that English. So you don't have to know the English of a song to actually vibe to it. They just can get the vibe of the rhythm and how it sound, and that alone can catch you. So this song actually catch me, bro. Very good song. Like it a lot. Like the visuals, simple. Way to go.